Okay, I am making this video for the Y-Block Facebook page. This is a 1955 Thunderbird. It's been modified slightly. This is a 60 over 292 with a 312 intake, heads, rocker, and it has an Isky camshaft, a 301-333 cam. It has a 1957 distributor and some modifications to make it run a little better here in Florida, and it's been converted to 12 volts with an alternator. This is an original overdrive car, 3-speed overdrive. It has its original drivetrain. Walk around the car a little bit and you can see the manual shifter sticking out of the floor. What we're going to do is we're going to start this baby up and let you hear what it sounds like. There's some people who would like to know what this particular cam sounds like on idle. So we will start it and see what happens. Okay, I had to take it off of fast idle. There's a manual choke on this. This is a Holley 465 4-barrel. And anyway, that's what it sounds like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.